So it's entirely possible that you're just coming on to the concept of developing a website and you're really considering what you might need as the packages for the website. You've got a site domain name and now you're looking at hosting that website. Maybe you've registered your business with a new website host company and you're looking at the software. I would recommend WordPress for a number of reasons. Now, the first thing I would like to do is to encourage you to consider the installation of WordPress as well as adding software called Elementor. Now, you can get that for free, it can be installed, but we offer the option of the pro version of that. Now, that will allow you to build a site with templates that will be eye-catching, that will look really professional, look interesting, etc. You may have the need for developing some search engine optimization, and that is included in one of our packages, along with the option of being able to book in what's called dynamic data that will help people use your website to search for what you have available and also to interact with you in a whole manner of different ways. So I would suggest that if you're looking at taking the big step forward to actually developing a website, give us a call and we'll show you the benefits specifically initially of WordPress and Elementor that we can arrange for about £30 a month. We can install the WordPress and hosting from £20 a month. Now, hopefully that's of use. If you are interested, let us know. Thank you.